Went to my mother's house, and these 8 turkeys were in the backyard. Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. Just wanted to show you the weekend work at my mother's. Had to do some repairs, and this is kind of why. You see that panel? That's blown out. And that panel is currently being repaired, like everything else. Things have to be done. Houses don't fix themselves. Let's go get the panel and get her put on. We gotta take the weight. There's the cabinet doorway fixed.
Yep.
Turned out pretty good.
That was broken badly. It was broken so badly.
Now we're just gonna drill the hole out for the. Okay. Get the right size drill bit here, and we'll be on our way. Screw's not the only one to go through, so we're gonna have to fix the back. Take off some of this wood and it should fit down in there.
My hands can...
Alrighty, let's go put it in. Got handed any screws here.
No, that one was really
The hardest one, huh?
Because it actually felt.
Yep, all in. Is that recording? Oh, that was the last one. Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go on to the next project. So this project, got a broken handle here. And went to the store. This is probably 30 years old. So I'm re-engineering it. Take you to the workbench and I'll show you that. Alrighty. So most of you probably recognize that's where the set screw is. That'll come out, no big deal. Set this down so you can truly see the artistry here. I wrapped that steel collar with wire and we epoxied it in. I don't know if you can see the little set screw right there going across. That's what's going to connect that shaft. So there, set that down. You can see where I drilled in one side, down and around, and made the loop up into the middle. So now I just got to drill that pilot hole. So the shaft will sit in here. Epoxy's still a little soft yet, so I have to wait to put all this back in together once the epoxy actually hardens. I got 4,400 PSI epoxy, so and then alright, time for some install. Got my hole drilled through there. Well, we have to get out so we don't put water on your shoes. Not bad for a $5 fix. The only real money in it was the epoxy. So, alright, friends and fans of YouTube, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.